At least 4 people have died and several are missing after Storm Daniel tore through central Greece. Several rescue operations are underway in the municipality of Palamas in Karditsa, where regions have been swallowed up by floods. Some residents were forced to seek refuge on the roofs of their houses. An operations centre is being set up in Larissa. These heavy rains come at the end of a summer marked by many furious wildfires across the country. The latest forecasts point to a gradual easing of the extreme weather. Given the ongoing situation, Prime Minister Kyriakos Mitsotakis is set to announce the government's plan for the next 4 years later on Thursday.